how y'all doing? This here is my project. Sooner or later we're going to be getting on the road, and Steve's here, gracious enough to do a little video of it and show y'all what I've been doing. The name of the bus is Trinity. It's a 1985 Crown. It has a 855 big cam Cummins, repowered, and most likely it's a 350 horsepower. It has a 13-speed Eaton Fuller Road Ranger transmission, which you don't see in these things ever. So it's got all the gearing I need. I bought it with no windows in it. It was a school bus when I bought it. There were no windows. The seats were torn out of it.
Now, did you do the roof raise, or?
Yeah, I did the roof raise myself. All of it, me and my son. We have a couple of videos on YouTube that are Trinity, the Crown bus. If you'll find that a roof raise, and I have a couple of fast motion videos of it with us doing the roof raise. You want to take a look at anything on the outside, or just want to take a peek inside?
Take a look inside.
Sooner or later, I think we're going to transition these steps up so that it's not such a big step up. And right now, as you can tell, it's just a shell, and we're basically camping. I've got all the RV windows in it. Got a great deal on these RV windows. They're dual pane insulated RV windows.
Nice.
They're tall enough right now to where my backsplash can be under the window still, and have a countertop with a backsplash under here. We're thinking on doing probably a couple of couches on either side, because we like to entertain, have people.
Sure.
The wife's going to probably have a captain's seat here. I already bought 2 captain's seats. Put one over here for the kids, probably one over here. They both have seat belts. I'm going to keep my air ride suspension seat there.
Right.
I've got all the ribs. I glued 2 pieces of 3/8 inch plywood together, and as I pushed them into place, I put a cleat on the floor and pushed them into place with a 2x4 and drilled them into the hat channel. So now I've got 3/4 of an inch of plywood that I can nail anything I want to in all these ribs all the way down to load up my ceiling.
Are you going to insulate?
Oh yeah, we're going to spray foam.
Spray foam?
Yeah, definitely spray foam. I got to get all the rough electrical and all the rough plumbing done first.
Yeah.
General contractor, so I got a lot to do. But when you see me next time, it'll be a different story in here.
Yeah, I look forward to catching up to you. But
yeah, I do. Yeah. So that's about it. We're going to come on. It'll be kitchen back to the back of these windows, in here somewhere, maybe a little bit farther if we use a. Well, anyways, maybe we'll put a stand-up refrigerator. Right now we're just using actually screwed down a composting head to the. We'll be using that someday, but
yeah,
that'll be going into the build as well. The bed will be in the back here, where it is right now. That is the platform where the bed's going to go. There's a 50-gallon tank that'll go in on each side, and the rest underneath is the trunk, because these are mid-engine buses.
All right.
And it has a huge trunk. I fit my bikes in there and all kinds of stuff. Yeah. And someday we'll have a house. Yeah. We'll be on the road and doing it like all these other nomads.
All right. I look forward to crossing paths again and seeing what you've done.
Yeah.
I like the idea, and I love the shapes of the crowns with the curves and.
Yeah.
But try to find one, sometimes a little difficult.
Yeah, Al Jennings, he's been selling quite a few, but they're going up in price. I think the last one he sold was like 22 grand.
Yeah.
I was like, wow, that's a big investment for somebody.
Glad I bought my Bluebird 7 years ago.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I was lucky enough. This guy that sold me this thing, gave me a lot of extra parts with it, extra panels. I've got the whole front end for it.
Nice.
He gave me extra storage compartment panels, which I put an extra storage compartment over on this side. Yeah, so it's coming out, man.
Okay, and you said you had a YouTube channel. Do you have anything on Instagram or?
We're gonna start
Facebook
that up. It'll be Trinity the Bus.
Okay.
And this is Trinity.
Right now you have it under Trinity the Crown Bus Conversion.
Yeah, Trinity the Crown Bus Conversion. That's on YouTube.
Okay.
So, and you can find it on Crown Bus Roof Raise, and you'll probably come up with Josh's too.
Right.
Yeah,
well,
but now it seems like I'm getting a little more hits on the Crown Roof Raise and Trinity Conversion, that type of thing. But a little Google search, you can find my videos.
Hopefully,
as I progress,
when this comes up, people.
Yeah, as I progress and you guys give me a little bit of coverage, we'll start getting out there more.
So
for sure.
There's a little bit of a time lag, but yeah, it'll get up there.
It's all good.
Right. Well, thank you very much, and I really look forward to seeing what the next time I run into you.
I look forward to it too.
All right.
Have a good one.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.